American Classic Car Restorations in Asheboro, North Carolina. We're here today on a Saturday working on our 65 El Camino shop truck, and we just used the bed liner to cover the bed, all the chips and scratches and dents and all that, because we're just going to use this truck as a shop truck. We're going to throw garbage in there, parts, you name it. So thanks to Bill and Klingspor, they gave us their bed liner to use, and it sprays really nice. The cover's really nice. You'll see in a couple other time-lapse videos that we made. It sprayed really nice. I did it, raise up the air pressure a little bit more for it to spray a little bit better and more evenly. But other than that, it sprays really nice, covers really nice, and we will be using that product for sure. Thanks again, Klingspor and Bill. It's a Saturday. We're gonna epoxy this, and then we're gonna put some bed liner in it from Klingspor. They were kind enough to let us try it out, and we actually scuffed it down with this here, the Astro nylon bed brush, and it actually scuffed it up pretty good. So we're just going to lay down some epoxy on there, get some adhesion, just to make sure it's really going to stick. We'll let that sit for 30 minutes or so, and then we'll spray the bed liner on. So stay tuned. Okay, we're going to start spraying here in a minute. It's all nice and tacky, ready to go. So here we go. Okay, here we go with the last coat. I'm just going to kind of dust it on, check for spots that I missed, and so there's no epoxy showing. And then we'll be done for the day. Now just get a light, excuse me, just get a light to make sure everything's covered. A little bit right there. You gotta make sure you get all these edges too, because sometimes you'll miss an edge. That side over there looks really good. Klingspor bed liner works really nice. It's got a nice texture to it. Covers really well. I just missed a few spots. So we'll keep our light. Over here. Here is the 65 El Camino. We purchased it for $4,000. We just buffed it out. As you can tell, there's still scratches and dents, dings, what have you. But it did shine up pretty nice. It's a little dusty right now. We did do a blend on the roof where there was a hole and we welded it up. So we'll buff that out. As you can see, that's what it looked like, and that's what it looks like now. And we just used Klingspor bed liner to do that this morning. Stuff works really, really good. But it's not a bad little shop truck. Always wanted one. We're just going to leave it patina looking for now. But that Klingspor bed liner worked really, really well. I'm very impressed with it. Thank you, Bill and Klingspor.